Okay, so I had a lot of things I want to say which couldn't be made in a 3 minutes video as YouTube Shorts only lasted 3 minutes. So this is a part 2 of development of reproductive system. Now we've stopped here. Now let's talk about the gubernaculum. So the gubernaculum is again this red structure here. This red structure. Now for the male and female, it drags the gonads into the pelvis. It draws them to the pelvis, the pelvic cavity. For the males, it goes a bit further. After getting to the pelvic cavity, it guides them again to the scrotum. For the female, it ends at the pelvic cavity and forms the round ligaments and the ovarian ligaments. Now we're done with that. Now we're looking at the external structure. We've seen the internal structure before. This is now the external structure. So this we're looking at here is the primitive external genitalia. You can see from here, we can see the genital tubercle. This red part here by the side is the labiosacral swelling, and the blue part inside is the urethral fold. And in sagittal view here, you can see the genital tubercle. You can see the urogenital sinus. You can see the ureter septum dividing this into anal canal and the urinary part. And I don't know if you can remember, we talked about this urogenital sinus before in urinary system. So for the male, we saw the urogenital sinus producing the bladder, the urethra, which is the prostatic and membranous ureter, and eventually we had the penile ureter. So similar things happens here. So male and female, what are these things going to form? For the genital tubercle, in the male side, we have the glans penis, the corpus spongiosum, and the corpus cavernosum. Then for the female, we have the clitoris and vestibular bulbs. And for the labiosacral swelling, we have the scrotum for the males and the labia majora for the females. The name, labiosacral swelling. For the urogenital sinus, for the males, we have the prostatic ureter, the porphyry gland, the membranous ureter, and the Cowper's gland. For the female, you just have the female ureter, the paraurethral glands, and the Bartholin's gland. Again, ureter folds. For the males, we have shaft of the penis and penile urethra. For the female, we have the labia minora, and that's it.